Welcome to TNTG.
Yay!
Road to Healthy Lifestyle.
Yummy!
Welcome to TNTG.
Yay!
Road to Healthy Lifestyle.
Yummy!
So guys, this is my whole wheat pita bread shawarma that I made. My husband helping me wrap it, and this is my food for the week. That's my chicken with vegetables and egg that I made. I made it with vegetable bell peppers and onions and stuff like that, and mushroom. And that's my creamy Tuscan beef with eggs as well. And I told you guys I don't like to make too much food, about 2 or 3 meals on time, so I don't quit. So that's my wrap after I've wrapped it. That's my juices from watermelon and apple, and that's my detox water that I made. One of these days I'll teach you guys, so I'll upload the video how I did it, and that's my food for the week.